Okay, so now getting into the 3D scatter plot. This is truthfully one of my favorite plots. I think it's just, I didn't really think it would be anything super amazing. I thought it would just be kind of cool to use, but it turns out that it is actually just really valuable in data analysis. One, it's cool, it's kind of fun, something unique to display. It allows you to really go walking inside of your data. You can zoom in and kind of really go right inside your data. And there have just been so many times now that I have noticed things that I would not have noticed in another way. So when you're looking to examine a bivariate or a trivariate relationship, this could be a really valuable plot just because it gives you, the ability to walk around inside your data and you'll notice things that you probably would not have noticed in other ways. And I have a good example that we'll go over in the class, but it's one of those things. It's kind of interesting to just be able to get those different perspectives on your data because seaborn pandas, you're stuck looking at it from the front. Well, here we can go from different angles and stuff. There's notice slightly different differences um, between different classes that we have here. We can change the classes, the colors by the classes. We can also change the shape by the classes as well. Kind of starts to get a little bit busy though, so you have to be careful with how much you do. I think that's kind of the true with lots of seaborn plots is there's so many features and things that you can do with them. You have to limit yourself to only what is valuable in your analysis. Okay, so the scatter plot is just an amazing, detailed analytical tool that I'm sure you'll have fun with once you see how it works. It's not so bad to get it started, and there's a lot that you can do with it.